updates coming in. BJP leader and leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari has written to Ministry of Home Affairs. A letter to MHA has been given over the violence that took place at the hospital last night. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Meenakshi joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Meenakshi, tell us what exactly Suvendu Adhikari has said in this case, because we know earlier he alleged that the vandalism was in fact carried out by TMC goons.
Well, yes, sir. So that is the allegation from the side of the BJP. You just elucidated on the same. We'll take our viewers through the letter which has been written by Mr. Adhikari. Now, what the letter really, this is the operative part. Basically, the BJP is now complained to the Home Ministry. They've written to Ajay Bhalla, Home Secretary, and in that they have complained regarding quote-unquote the vandalism which took place at the RG Kar Medical Hospital. And what's very interesting and very important to note and underline is the fact that the state unit of the BJP is now requesting for deployment of the CAPF or the Central Armed Paramilitary Forces to prevent further destruction of evidence. Remember, as far as the Kolkata police is concerned, Kolkata police has said that these reports that there was the crime scene had been tampered with, those reports aren't true. But BJP says it's obviously an indirect jibe also at the state police and the state government, saying that the state police is not able to handle the law and order situation, and that's why they're writing also to the Home Secretary demanding deployment of the Central Armed Paramilitary Forces or the Central Forces, quote unquote, as the BJP claims, to prevent further destruction of evidence. Whether this leads to a further escalation or a war of words between the TMC and the BJP is something we'll have to wait and watch here now.
All right, Meenakshi, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. Of course, now we'll have to see if we get a response as well from the Ministry of Home Affairs on the request that has gone from Suvendu Adhikari. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break, but lots lined up for you on the other side as well. Don't go anywhere.